Hey everybody! In this video I'm going to show you how to install clapboard siding. It's been a while since I painted the siding, so I taped it on first just to refresh my memory as to how it's going to go. For the bottom piece only, I'm gluing on a trim piece that is 1/16 by 1/16. The reason for this is so that the bottom lap of the siding has something to sit on and won't get accidentally chipped. The glue I'm using is Quick Grip. Set the piece of siding on top of the last piece you put on and then fan the piece about 3 times. This will help the glue dry faster, and then clamp down the siding with as many clamps as you can. I keep the clamps on for about 10 to 15 minutes. If you don't have enough clamps, use some painter's tape or masking tape. When you put on the glue, put it all the way around the piece and get it as close to the edge as you can, but not too close so that it oozes out on the previous piece of siding you put on. The dried glue will be hard to remove from the siding. Next, put the glue on the entire length of the piece. Quickly put the siding on again, fan it about 3 times, and then add the clamps. You can get clamps at Menards or Lowe's or most home improvement stores, and they typically will be less expensive than ordering them from an online miniature shop. If a little glue squeezes out onto the wall, just use an X-Acto knife or utility knife to cut it away, otherwise the next piece of siding will not lay flat on the wall. If glue squeezes out onto the siding, be careful not to damage the siding with the knife. Keep working your way up the side of the house. This takes a little bit of time because you need to wait 10 to 15 minutes for the glue to dry before putting on the next piece. I just set the timer on my phone and work on straightening up my shop during the downtime. In some places, you can tell where one piece of siding ends and the other one begins, and yes, that's a little frustrating. I think what causes that is not getting the glue close enough to the edge so it's raised slightly. I will repaint the siding and hopefully that will minimize it. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe so you'll know when I post again. Thank you for watching.